Hey everyone, Chris over at Ace Vacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia. Today we're going to be looking at the R25S. They make three of these. There's a standard, deluxe, and then a premium. Today we're going to be looking at the R10S. Some really cool features on this vacuum is that it's multi-function, so you can use this for both carpet as well as hardwood floors. When you want to use this vacuum in carpet, there's a switch that pushes forward for carpet, all the way back for hardwood floors. This is a bag system. It does have a bag indicator to let you know right at the top here. So when you pop this lid open, right here at the top, there's an indicator to let you know when the bag needs to be replaced. These have lifetime belts on them, so you'll never break a belt on this vacuum. The reason why is there's a safety feature. If something gets obstructed or stuck or jammed inside this machine, it'll shut it down until whatever's pulled out of there, helping prevent the motor from going bad inside the brush roll power head here, as well as the belts from stretching or breaking any rollers. There's a dual stage filtration, so you have a pre-motor filter and then you have a HEPA pad here on the side. The bags are super easy to replace. You pop this open, you pull the old bag out, put the new bag in, lock it up. Very simple. You have a 6-foot hose as well as a lifetime belt. So if you have any questions on this vacuum, please give us a call at 703-997-9292.